Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isnanda Yunita Saputri, NRP 31215211003 from class 1 D3 Informatic Engineering, PENS PSDKU Lamongan. In this occasion, I will present my research paper with a title Stomach Acid in Teenagers' Life. This is my table of content that are what I want to know, what I know, the search, what I learned, and conclusion. And the first, what I want to know. In my college life, I often felt full and always burp after eating. It makes me feel uncomfortable, especially when eating with friends. Then I told some friends, they said it's like an early symptom of stomach acid. I was surprised to hear that explanation and I wondered why this could be even thought I don't like something. But the fact is that many friends and teen my age suffer from acid reflux in their youth. What causes it? Can stomach acid be cured? And what treatment can be done? Many questions arise in my mind, so I want to find information from various sources about how to treat stomach acid. What I know. Before I did this paper, I didn't know much about stomach acid because my family and I have never experienced this. My knowledge about stomach acid is superficial, but I want to know more about stomach acid, its cause, prevention, and treatment. What I know is that stomach acid is the same as an ulcer, namely digestive tract disorder caused by excessive consumption of acidic food. Information I got from friends, stomach acid is also caused by late eating, excessive spicy food, coffee, etc. So I read articles and journals on the internet to get more accurate information. The search for data collection and to find answer of my question, I use online media as a medium to collect information and was assisted by my friend who had stomach acid. The online media that I use are Google. There are several articles and journals on Google that discuss what is stomach acid, symptoms of stomach acid, cause of stomach acid, prevention and treatment of stomach acid. Of the many journals, I choose and read the research journal Gastric Disease Due to Unhealthy Eating Patterns in Adolescents by Aninda Pratiwi. In addition, I also read from two health websites, namely ClickDoctor and HaloDoc. On the HaloDoc website, which I visited for the first time, it was explained about stomach acid. According the Dr. Rizal Fahri on the HaloDoc website, stomach acid is a burning feeling in the chest due to stomach acid rising into the esophagus. This condition occurs in the digestive tract that connect the mouth and stomach and become irritated. Acid reflux is a common condition, but it can cause heartburn in the lower chest area. Symptoms of acid reflux disease appear at least twice a week. This problem is also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. Then, why does this happen a lot to teenagers? In this era of globalization, technological development and the ease of getting information are a consequence of change in people's lifestyle and behavior, especially teenagers. Adolescence is a period where you begin to make choice. Along with its development, teenagers will often choose what type of food and drink to consume. Indonesian teenagers, about 15 to 20% usually eat fried chicken and burger from foreign countries. Mujianto 1994 in MRB Ginting 2011. In addition, 87% of teenagers like to eat out, such as mixed ice, meatball, and other snacks. Gunawan 1999 in MRB Ginting 2011. Passive lifestyle and high fat low fiber diet as above can trigger many diseases. Eating pattern and bad habit that trigger the emergence of digestive system disease in teenagers are eating unhealthy, excessive, and not fulfilling balanced nutrition. Some of negative behavior of teenagers that can cause stomach acid disease are 1. Bad eating habits. Where this habit can stem from family eating habits, there are also not good. 2. Irregular eating pattern with busy reason. 3. Skipping lunch or dinner. 4. Excessive dieting. 5. The trend of globalization and the development of time is also one of the factors that influence the diet of teenagers. 6. Eating spicy food in excess. To prevent the risk of gastric disease as previously described, there are several things that must be considered for a healthy diet, including 1. Eat at the right time. 2. Choose baked or boiled food, not fried. 3. Reduce fast food. 4. Healthy snack. 5. Eat with adequate and balanced nutrition. 6. Avoid fizzy drink. 7. Adjust the portion of the meal, do not over or under. In addition, stomach problem can also be caused by a person's stressful situation, where many teenagers are so busy with activities that there is a lot of heavy pressure to complete all of the things. Moreover, a teenager who sometimes cannot manage his activities properly, they tend to do their activities in a panic and hurry. The thing can cause gastric acid level to increase so that it can irritate the gastric mucosa. Based on the experience of my friend, she said, I'm an easygoing person. My friends are young people or the millennial generation who have an irregular lifestyle, especially now that almost all of the food is spicy, that at the hangout I like to order coffee. That makes stomach acid or my stomach pain often recurs. For me, who has unhealthy lifestyle, does not pay attention to diet, always eat spicy food and coffee is a try no. Lack of rest, irregular sleep, lack of exercise. That's an explanation from my friend who has stomach acid disease. According to the Click Doctor website, stomach acid disease can be prevented by living a healthy lifestyle. Recommendation for a good and correct diet shall be used as a guide. These include eating on time, eating moderately and in moderation, and choosing natural food that are high in fiber and low in fat. In addition, adequate physical activity, regular exercise, adequate rest, and managing stress will also very helpful in preventing stomach acid complaint. How to treat acid reflux depends on the cause and severity. Some treatment that can be done at home include 1. Avoid risk factors that trigger stomach acid to rise, such as food and drink that trigger symptoms. Quit smoking. 2. Follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly. 3. Eat little but often. 4. Eat slowly. 5. Maintain ideal body weight. In addition, doctor might prescribe certain medication such as antacid, H2 blockers, pump inhibitors, antibiotics. The administration of drug is adjusted to the symptom and cause on the patient's stomach acid. What I learned by doing the search, I learned many interesting and useful things about stomach acid disease. And I learned many things such as a healthy lifestyle, good and bad eating, prevention and treatment of stomach acid. This conclusion, adolescents with a variety of decent activity and lifestyle that exist today often make teenagers' eating pattern become unhealthy. Food is source of energy for the body so that all organs of the body can work optimally. If we don't regulate to diet properly and healthy, it will certainly have an impact on the emergence of disease, especially in the gastric digestive system. One of diseases that occur in the stomach due to an unhealthy diet, including stomach acid. Some of the negative behavior that trigger gastric disease are bad eating habit without paying attention to nutritional level. Skipping several hours of eating, excessive dieting, and globalization trend are also factors that make teenagers more happy to consume fast food, which has a high fat content and weakens the work of the stomach. As for the thing can be done to prevent gastric disease due to unhealthy eating pattern, among others, setting appropriate meal times, reducing fast food, avoiding fast food and soft drink, eat food and that have balanced nutrition, ideal meal portions so that they are not excessive or deficient, and avoid stress. This is my bibliography. Okay, I think enough. This is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.